Stone Lake garbage disposal, second test, water filled. So I've had this dry. There's some existing water bubbles right there, but no big deal. We have twist lock connections. That's tight, that's tight. Here's your mountain serial. Okay, I'm about to put the water out here, and we're gonna check for leaks again while it's running. Doesn't vibrate an inch. I love it. And no water, as you see. So the fix was, we had a stripped out Allen screw that went all the way through this side here. So the handle I found on the floor in the garage. So we got her with this little guy right here, fits just perfect. And the pressure is applied to the outer wall here. Simple fix. We need a cover plate that's like an off-white or a bisque, just like a tan. So the fix was, we had a stripped out Allen screw that went all the way through this side here. So the handle I found on the floor in the garage. So we got her with this little guy right here, fits just perfect. And the pressure is applied to the outer wall here. Simple fix. Okay, so we got some bird stuff out of the dryer bin. There's an 8-foot ladder to help hold those holes up there. You don't need all of it. We're only about 15 feet in the air. And I'm in as far as this hose will go for now. But I've got it blowing out. And I pulled out quite a bit of dust just by bringing it as far as it'll go. So I believe she's in there about 10 feet. Let's see. So that's my hand where it was holding. And I'm almost to the ground there. So, yeah, I'm in there at 10 feet. So I'm going to go in the inside. Finish up. This is just some good old hillbilly ingenuity.